Envy by Alan Eaton just released their 3-in-1 Airstyler. This Airstyler can correct, customize any type of alternative hair. That also means your synthetic. We've been told for years that we can't use heat on synthetic, but with this tool we can. You can also use it on your heat-friendly styles, your human hair wigs, even your own natural hair. The Airstyler comes with 3 attachments. You can smooth your hair, remove the frizz, you can curl, you can remove cold crimp, you can add waves to your straight style, you can add volume to the crown, you can redirect the knots on a hand-tied wig. If there's something that you need to fix or correct, or you want to restyle your wigs, you can do it with this new Airstyler by Envy. When you open your 3-in-1 Airstyler, you want to make sure that you find this pamphlet that's located in the bottom of the box. It's going to show you how to use the Airstyler, as well as give you detailed instructions on how to customize your wig or make any corrections. I love that they've not only given you written instructions, but also pictures that you can follow along. I am a visual person, and that really helps. I'm going to be correcting my Brianna by Envy. It has some frizz, it's dry, and I would like to smooth it out and see what it looks like with a smooth appearance. So follow along with me as I restyle Brianna by Envy. The instruction says to divide it into sections, which I've already done, and I'm going to use my wide tooth comb just to detangle any tangles in the wig. And then after you have done that, then you can spray it down with some water. Okay, now let's see what it says to do. It says to spray it with a Beauty Mark Hair and Protect, which I don't have, then to smooth the hair in a downward direction until completely dry. So it also says to use it on high heat and high airflow. So I'm a little excited about this, y'all. I've never been able to use heat on my synthetic style, so this is really exciting. So high heat, which is down here, and high airflow. You can feel the heat, but it's not really hot, so it's not hot to the touch. All right, let's do this. I'm going to kind of separate it into sections. And go slowly, you don't have to go down real fast because you want to make sure you get all of the fibers in there. Wow, this is just crazy to me that I'm using heat on a synthetic style. Again, you want to smooth out any tangles, spray the fibers with water. Using your round brush attachment, you want to turn the airflow on high, the heat on high, and move in a downward direction until you get that desired look. I want to mention that as I am going through the fibers, and I can actually touch the Airstyler. It is, you can feel the heat, but it's not too hot that you cannot touch it. wished you could feel this. This is so smooth. Such a huge difference in the way it looked before and the way it looks now. It's just amazing to me that we're using heat on a synthetic wig to repair the frizz, to make it feel new again, to smooth it out. This is just amazing to me, y'all. I really am just blown away by this hairstyler. I want to share with you a tip that I have learned by doing this just for a little bit of time. If you're going through it and it dries and you haven't achieved the desired look that you want, go over it with water again and then smooth it out, and then you'll get that desired look that you want. I think the results speak for itself. Y'all, this is insane. This side feels dry, crunchy. It feels really, really bad, y'all. And I had put this wig in the box and I probably was never going to wear it again. I hated to throw it away because I love Brianna by Envy, but unless I got out some steam, and steam just makes the style look lifeless. And with this, I was able to give it some shape, and I ended up putting it on my head because I felt like I had more control over the Airstyler and the way I wanted to direct the layers away from my face. So you absolutely can use this while you're wearing the wig. It has heat, but it does not get hot enough that you have to worry about it burning your face. I wished you could feel this. This is so soft, smooth. It has movement again. And in my opinion, it looks like it has shine again versus this side that looks dull. It just truly is remarkable to me that we're able to use heat on our synthetic wigs to correct the problems that we have and to restyle it. I probably will go back later and add some curls and some waves to Brianna just to see what I can do. Once again, this is the new Envy 3-in-1 Airstyler. This is truly going to change the game in how we wear synthetic hair.